welcome back. All right, we're going to do a right folding arm. That means she's going to your right, gentlemen, and it's going to be a folding arm, not a half Nelson or anything. Okay, so it's just going over her head and into a folding arm. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll start with a two-hand hold position, all right? And so we're going to go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Right into a nice closed position. Cool? All right, let's take it from this angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's do it with my back to you. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nice. All right, from this angle. All right. So we're going to do it with Lana goes back to you. Okay. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Yes? All right, so now you have several different angles to go by. What you have to understand is that this is going to your right, gentlemen, all right? Bring it to your right. It goes overhead in a nice and easy fold. And so remember, don't fight on this one because it's kind of like you can get really tight. So relax. If you need more information, go to your private lesson style videos. But again, this is a quick view to get you going in review. Cool? All right. Go have fun, practice, and breathe. All right. See you back in a moment.